Standard 10 Chemistry, Unit 6, Nomenclature of Organic Compounds and Isomerism. Position isomerism. Examine the molecular formula of the two organic compounds given. Is it clear that the given compounds have the same molecular formula? It means they are isomers. Let's write their IUPAC names. IUPAC name of this compound is propan-1-ol. Consider the second compound. It can be named as propan-2-ol. Both of these compounds have the same functional group, that is OH group. Why do these compounds with the same molecular formula and having the same functional group differ in their IUPAC names? In the first compound, the OH group is linked to the first carbon atom. But in the second one, the OH group is attached to the second carbon atom. In other words, the position of the functional group is different. Position isomers. If the position of the functional group is different in two compounds having the same molecular formula and the same functional group, then they are position isomers. The phenomenon is called position isomerism. How many isomers are possible for the given compound? Let us write the isomers. Write down their IUPAC names too. CH3, CH2, 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 CH2Cl. 1-chloropentane. CH3, CH2, CH2, CHCl, CH3. 2-chloropentane. CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH2, CH3. 3-chloropentane. Thus, 3 position isomers are possible for the given compound. 1-chloropentane, 2-chloropentane and 3-chloropentane. Analyze the compounds given in the table and identify the pairs of position isomers. Write their IUPAC names also. These are the pairs of position isomers. A. 1-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane. B. 2-chlorobutane, 1-chlorobutane. C. Butan-1-ol, butan-2-ol. D. Pentan-3-ol, pentan-1-ol. E. 2-bromohexane, 3-bromohexane.